Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I'm working on a somewhat of a slang book page, and if you all are old enough to remember what a slang book is, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. But I'm not making the whole book, I'm just making one page. And this is for Danielle at the Pink Zebra, the crafty unicorn. And so what it was, it's a bunch of us girls who participate in her live videos. We decided we were going to create a little slang book, and we are going to answer these questions, just as of like who we are in the group, and talk a little bit about ourselves. And then it's all in a binder that Danielle will keep. And then when she goes live again, she will read the answers to our group members. Just a bunch of ladies that continually go to her live videos, and we all have conversations there, and we enjoy each other's company. So we just decided we will do that. And if you are interested, you just, email Danielle, and she will send you the list of questions that we came up with, and you can go from there. So I printed the questions out on my computer, and then I printed my answers, coordinating with the questions, and then I cut down a 12 by 12 piece of paper, a different paper pad, and it's the Unicorns and Rainbows from DCWV, and I'll share that with you, and it's right here. And this collection comes with 10 sheets with gold glitter, so some of them have glitter on the pages, okay? So that's what I'm working with for my page. So when we do this slang book, we agreed we were going to decorate our page, but still try to keep it as flat as possible, because we're going to put it into the binder, into a page protector. So this is what I'm coming up with. Going to map this right to a pink background, because if you put it here, you could still, it still kind of blends into the background. You see the background paper, it has a bunch of unicorns and stars and stuff like that. So I'm going to do that and glue this down. I might just use tape. I'm running out of tape. I gotta get more double stick tape. So I'm just gonna go around the edges, flip this back over. I'm not worried about the needle. I don't have a lot of paper here, so I'm going to make sure I can get the right size. Not paper, but space, and that way it doesn't just blend in. There you go. Just going to put this right on the cutting line. Not really exact. I don't care. And there we go. Now we have our pink answer sheet. I do have a title. I put Unicorn Squad Slang Book. And what am I doing? I'm going to do this. Just put a strip down, right down the middle. Put down the side here. I'm not going to use my trimmer. Just try to keep it even. And that's it. And then I'll just make a little tag, or dovetail, whatever they call it. Cut the triangles at the end. And I think that's what we're going to go with. Just like that. Okay? As far as the questions, now, I don't know. And I'm supposed to decorate them. So, let's get our stickers out. Got my little Walmart sticker book. And we have some unicorns in here. I got these stickers from Walmart also. But of the Carpe Diem paper collection, it had like pencils and camera and some hearts and glasses and light bulbs and other things. So I'm going to use that also to decorate my page. Just like that. And I wear glasses, so I'm going to put that in here somehow. Just like that. Probably make a little collage there. Right? That looks okay. Decent. Enough. And then I'll put the unicorns along my side here. I do want to put this onto my page. So yeah, let's get these glued down, and then put this up at the top. I'm really bad at centering, because I cannot see past my big fingers. Let's go like this. And there we go. That's it. This one, I don't know if I should make it straight or if I should like make it crooked. Like that. Yeah, like that. I like it crooked. Being so square. I'm gonna do that. My husband's watching football. Usually I'll sit down there sometimes, but I gotta get busy on these things, So we're gonna put it up like this, and point our little pencil upward. And then I want to put this up. I think I will map this onto pink, yeah, because this would look cute. I'm just gonna cut around my camera. Let's use these. These are Target stickers, and I'm gonna use that up Little hearts. Nope. And I'm gonna stick it right onto the camera. Just like that. Like, why not? Okay. So get that going. And now, I do the camera. Yeah, I think I'm going to put the stickers on that. Because this is better. Oops. I like that better. Much better. And there we go. I think I make a mistake on this line. There. Alright. So I'm not wasting. And these are so awesome. The foam stickers, they're not like the Dollar Tree where they kind of feel hollow. This feels like there's cushion up under these things. These are really, really nice. And I got these maybe 2 years ago. Yeah, a while ago. So I'm just going to cut around here. So that's what I just did with the stickers. And the cardstock. Everything's pink. I wanted purple. But this is pretty cute. This is pretty cute. I'm loving this. Okay, like, wow. Let's put some stars. Let me take this guy down before I forget. Little unicorn. Let's put some confetti in there. Put this little guy right in the middle. Oh, I didn't stick him down. Okay. Okay. I was supposed to add my picture on here somewhere, but that's okay. I don't see anything else but my picture. That's all I've got. So I'm gonna find a picture and I'm gonna print it, and I'll bring you back to show you what I put here. All right. Okay, guys. So I went and printed out some pictures that we just took at the pumpkin patch with my husband and my son. What I did, I went on the computer, or not the computer, I went on my cell phone, and I used one of the photo apps that you can download onto your phone. Let me show you. I went to layout, and it gives you this grid option, and I created my grid. I selected the photos that I wanted to print because I only have like the 5x7 photo paper. So I created my little grid, and if you follow me on Instagram, that is what I used. I posted. And I was having a problem with the printer. It wouldn't let me print a square photo. So I just print the top half because it had all of us in it. And I thought they came out pretty. Try this. See, I have 5x7 paper, and I was trying to fit as many pictures as I could into the onto the paper. Give me a minute, guys. I'm struggling. Oh, look at that. How about that? Cheap tickets. Just like that. That works. Pick up my charger. Okay, that punch works perfect. And I'm going to put my boy here. Put him right there. I'm going to put the OMG right on on top of him. And then I'm going to put this. Should I put some foam tape on that? Yeah. Alright, where did my foam go? Here we go. I think I need more. Love that. There we go. That is cute. That is done. Came out nice. I have to put my mermaid on here somehow. Oh, let's find a mermaid. Ooh, this guy's really, really, really nice. That one is, it's really, it almost like an epoxy. And then it'll at least tie in. That's perfect. More scissors. So I have the sunflower scissors, and I'm going to go around. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I try to at least line it up. Okay, great. I think it's okay. I'm gonna have to pop it up so that you can still read it. Yeah, pop you up, buddy. Buddy. Stay down. It's taking too long. Alright. And there it is. And I'm gonna get my page protector. I get these at Walmart. I just want to see how. Oh, that's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. And in the back, I think I will do what I said I'm going to do. I'll mount the questions to the side. Okay. So we're going to put these out of the way. Let's get this out. And this one I'm just going to leave all the, I'm not going to mat it. Just going to put it right on here. Just like that. And then decorate them with stickers again. There we go. I think I need a new blade for my paper trimmer. Let's make sure it's the right way. Alright. Oh well. Messed up on that one. Right at the edge. Nope, let's get this pretty long. This one I think I'm just going to go ahead and put stickers all over it. Yep, I'm going to stick this baby right here somewhere. Fit. Barely. Barely fit. But I'm going to use it. Smooth it out. Yep, I'm going to put some paper on him. On me. Put me on some paper. It doesn't even matter. Just want it to go around. These little stickers are so easy to move around. Really easy. That's it. Oh, done. So I'm gonna use some of this from Tuesday morning that I hauled a while ago. It has seashells in it. So yes, she's a unicorn, but I'm a mermaid, and mermaids love seashells, and I really love seashells. Now I don't have my spoon. But this is what's in the mix. Look at that. Iridescent shells. So I'm going to put some of those in. They just want to stick to my hands, of course. It's a party in a pouch. I'm going to put some pink. A little bit of pink. Oh, come on. If it opens. These are from Tuesday morning. I said before, these were the only... Oh, they have pink hearts. Or iridescent hearts. Can you see that? These were the only 2 containers of sequins that I ever found at Tuesday morning. Any of my Tuesday morning. And I put some of my Hobby Lobby stars in there also. This page's going to be super heavy, Danielle. Sorry. Love it though. I put all those stickers in there, but I'm also going to put a few shaker bits so that it's just fun. Why not? She made her book into a shaker also, and I love it. I love it. So I said I have to add a little bit of shake for the shaker pudding. And then what I'll do is sew all the way, I'll probably sew all the way around. That way, or just the top. Yeah, I'm just going to sew the top. Okay, I'm done, guys. I stitched it up with my sewing machine, and it's not perfect, but it's okay, because, you know, it's a sling book. It's supposed to be beat up and rough and all that. So she has a 3-ring binder. She can put it right in. This will be the front of my page. Look at the shaker. There's my questions. All the questions we agreed to. And then this side is all the answers. So I love it. It came out way better than what I started with my live video. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed the video again, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.